Starting your day with the right breakfast can set the tone for your metabolism, energy levels, and even your mood. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy, fueling every cell and system. Many people underestimate the power of breakfast, skipping it in the rush of a busy morning or grabbing whatever is most convenient. But what you eat first thing in the morning can have a significant impact on how your body burns calories throughout the day, helps regulate appetite, and maintains stable blood sugar levels. Let's begin with the basics. After a night of fasting during sleep, your body wakes up in a mild state of calorie deprivation. Eating breakfast signals to your metabolism that it's time to get going again, kicking off a cascade of processes that help burn calories and manage hunger. Skipping breakfast can actually slow down your metabolism as your body tries to conserve energy in anticipation of prolonged fasting. That's why breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, not for tradition's sake, but for science. To naturally boost your metabolism with breakfast, it's important to focus on a few key principles: balance, timing, nutrition, and hydration. First, let's talk about balance. A metabolism-boosting breakfast should provide a combination of complex carbohydrates, lean protein, and healthy fats. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, oats, or fruits, provide a steady stream of glucose, your body's preferred energy source. Lean proteins, think eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or plant-based proteins like tofu, require more energy for your body to digest, absorb, and process, a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food. That increased energy expenditure can give your metabolism a small but meaningful boost. Healthy fats, such as those from avocados, nuts, seeds, or olive oil, help keep you full and satisfied, preventing the blood sugar crashes that can lead to cravings later in the day. Consider starting your morning with a bowl of steel-cut oats topped with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. The oats provide complex carbohydrates and fiber, the berries offer antioxidants, and the chia seeds add both protein and healthy omega-3 fats. Alternatively, an omelet with spinach, tomatoes, and a side of whole grain toast delivers a satisfying mix of protein, fiber, and nutrients to fuel your morning. Timing is another crucial element. Eating breakfast within 1 to 2 hours of waking helps rev up your metabolism and stabilize blood sugar. If you wait too long, your body may slip back into energy conservation mode, making it harder to burn calories efficiently. For those who exercise in the morning, a light but balanced meal beforehand can provide the fuel you need to power through your workout and amplify the metabolism-boosting benefits of physical activity. Hydration is often overlooked, but is just as important as what you eat. After several hours without fluids overnight, your body may be slightly dehydrated when you wake up. Drinking a glass of water before or with breakfast helps jumpstart your metabolism and supports the digestion and absorption of nutrients. Some studies even suggest that drinking cold water first thing in the morning can temporarily increase your calorie burn, as your body works to warm the water to your internal temperature. When it comes to specific foods and nutrients, several options stand out for their ability to enhance metabolism. Protein is at the top of the list, as it requires more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fats. Including a source of protein at breakfast not only increases calorie burn, but also promotes satiety, helping you feel full for longer and reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. Greek yogurt, eggs, smoked salmon, nut butters, and protein-rich whole grains like quinoa are excellent choices. Fiber-rich foods are another metabolism ally. High-fiber carbohydrates, such as whole grain bread, oats, fruit, and vegetables, slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and keep your digestive system working efficiently. The effort your body expends to break down and process fiber-rich foods translates to a modest increase in calorie burn. Don't forget about spices and herbs. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your oatmeal or a dash of cayenne pepper to your avocado toast doesn't just enhance flavor. It can also give your metabolism a temporary boost. Spices like cayenne and chili peppers contain compounds that slightly increase thermogenesis, the body's process of burning calories to produce heat. Caffeine lovers also have a leg up. as moderate coffee or green tea intake can increase metabolic rate for a few hours after consumption. Green tea, in particular, contains catechins, natural antioxidants that may help enhance fat burning. Just be mindful of added sugars or syrups, which can quickly turn a healthy beverage into a calorie-laden treat. While breakfast is important, it's equally crucial to avoid common pitfalls. Sugary cereals, pastries, and refined carbohydrates may give a quick burst of energy, but they can lead to rapid blood sugar crashes, sluggishness, and even slower metabolism over time. These foods are quickly digested, offer little nutritional value, and can trigger excessive hunger soon after eating. Instead, opt for minimally processed, nutrient-dense options whenever possible. Listening to your body's hunger cues is also essential. Some people find that they aren't very hungry first thing in the morning, and that's okay. It's perfectly acceptable to start with something small, like a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit, and eat a more substantial meal a little later when your appetite wakes up. Consistency is key for long-term metabolic health. Developing a breakfast routine that works for your lifestyle and preferences makes it easier to stick with healthy habits. Experiment with different combinations of whole grains, lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber to discover what leaves you feeling energized and satisfied. Remember, breakfast doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. A smoothie with spinach, banana, protein powder, and almond milk can be made in minutes and taken on the go. In summary, boosting your metabolism naturally with breakfast is all about choosing the right balance of foods, eating at the right time, staying hydrated, and making choices that support sustained energy throughout the day. By consistently making mindful decisions each morning, you lay the foundation for a healthier metabolism, better energy, and improved well-being. The journey to a more vibrant, energetic you truly can begin with breakfast.